I'm trying to. That is a problem. Though it's not giving any response. Kick, kick is working well, but when I kick start, lights on, but engine is not starting.